today we have an unexpected Yeezy release happening. We got these banana shoes. I'm just really thankful that this is not a shock drop because I absolutely hate shock drops. But since this is such short notice, I already made plans yesterday. I didn't think I was going to be doing any setting up, so I'm not really running as many bots as I usually do, being that I didn't have that much time to prepare. Now, these are going to retail for $200. That is so expensive for some socks, dude. Well, they're not literally socks, but I'm just saying, like, that's pretty expensive. I think this is the most boring Yeezy model. Usually they try to do all sorts of crazy wacko designs, but now it's just a banana. But I guess it is what it is. The only thing we're really unsure of for this is the stock numbers. No one has a clue how many pairs they are going to be dropping. So if it's way too much, then that would suck if I accidentally cop too many and then it breaks. But if it's way too low and literally they just drop like 2 pairs, which has happened in the past, then that would also suck a lot. But I'm all set up. Just gotta, hope for the best. Let's see what we get. My whole bot's not working. Oh, I passed one queue. Oh shit, I carded one on Cage. I mean Kage. Yeah, a lot of us are. Oh, got one on MEK. Got another one. Oh, no, I just checked out. Okay, so that last checkout is apparently a ghost order. Yeah, that one didn't count at all. So in reality, I only got 2 checkouts for these. However, I'll take it because this drop was crazy hard. But the prices right now are looking ridiculous. They are selling for so much money since I guess not too many people got them. The rumored stock numbers on Yeezy supply was around 2,000 pairs, which is not a lot at all, especially for Yeezy supply. But I hope prices don't dip too much when people start to get them in hand, because I do want to make some money off of this at least. In about a couple of days, we got some Yeezy 700 V2s dropping. Now, I don't even know if I want to go for these. The reason why I'm saying that is because I'm looking at the prices for the Yeezy 700 V2 creams that dropped a little bit earlier this year, and those prices aren't all that special. Like, yeah, you can make like a decent amount of money. And the reason why I'm comparing these prices in particular is because I feel like that this colorway is just infinitely better than whatever we got dropping up next. So there's a chance that these upcoming Yeezys might not really do as good in terms of resale prices. It's actually drop time right this second. To be honest, I really don't care about this pair of shoes. However, I would like to get at least one from each bot. And I was gonna run 2 copies of Tohru, but my tasks would just not start. Yeah, nothing we can do about it. Just gotta hope for the best, I guess. Got one on MEK, size 14. Damn. got a size 5. Oh, got one on Kage. Hope that's not a ghost order though. That's not what it was. Oh no, it's not a ghost order. I have the order number. Let's go. Oh, I think I'm about to get another one here. Boom. About to have another one on Tohru ISPs. Let's go. I got 6. Dude, I could have gotten like way more, but I got declined so many times. Yeah, I'm closing out of my bots. You know what? Like I said, don't really care that much about this drop. Otherwise, I gotta figure out what's going wrong with my Tohru, because I've never seen that happen before. Like, just back to back, my tasks just won't start. So hopefully the team gets to figure it out. Once they do, then we'll get back to hitting Yeezy supply pretty hard. And here they are. Let's talk about the knit runners first. Honestly, I'm a little bit surprised about this because according to the pictures, I thought we were just gonna get a straight up literal sock with some padding underneath and them charging us $200 for it. But no, it's like an actual shoe. The toe box is pretty stiff. Anything that's covered in yellow, in person it's actually goldish color. Anything that's colored in this goldish color is pretty stiff. The only thing that's not stiff and that can be comparable to the sock is this area right here. I don't even know what this is called in terms of like the part of the shoe, but anyways, this is the only part that's like stretch and soft. As far as the design, I still think it's very ugly. I find it hard to believe that somebody would actually wear this and think that it looks nice on their feet. Like, come on, like if you compare this especially to like Jordans, like Jordan 4s, Jordan 6, Jordan 11s, like what on earth is this? Even like the Yeezy foam runners, which is a wild silhouette, the Yeezy 700s and even the 700 V2s that we picked up, very, very cool looking. But this is yeah, just not really my thing, which is why I'm very surprised that people are paying so much money for these. Well, I'm not gonna complain about that part. Next up, we got the Yeezy 700 V2s. Now, honestly, these are starting to grow on me a little bit. However, I still don't regret not going all out for this. Anyways, these Yeezy releases have been very, very difficult, even for these, which had pretty low stock. But in October, it is rumored that we are gonna have a crazy amount of Yeezy releases. So we will have a lot more chances to get our hands on some heat. Hopefully. Nothing is 100% confirmed yet in terms of exactly what's going to be releasing. All I know right now is that there are going to be tons of Yeezys, but not quite sure what they're going to be as of yet. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.